Bitcoin, November 7th, 2025. Monthly time frame. This is going back all the way to 2023, which is not the actual beginning of Bitcoin, but I'm going to stick with this chart. We see a trend line for the monthly here going from this low all the way to this low and this low. You see a change now where on a monthly view we're actually going under, we're passing under the safety line, the monthly safety line. That is a cause of concern due to the trend may have changed. Do we have a turn in the market where it's going to go down now, a downtrend? That is the question. Are we dipping and going on down, or are we going down all the way? We don't know yet, but this is showing a lot of weakness here on this candle right here. So we have to see at the end of the month. This is got 23 days left. We'll go from there. But this may be causing concern to take some actions. On a week view, we zoom in, we go above it right here, and just this past week, it came down underneath this safety line, which is what we don't want if we're bullish. But we're not bullish or bearish. We're just following what the trend says, what the chart says. And then you can see these higher highs right here connecting for a possible action line downtrend here. So this is showing weakness. Let's go down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, same thing. Monthly is going up, up, up. Now we're crossing the monthly safety line here, which means we have to think about taking some action. We're getting under the 200 MA, which is concerning. If we go back up to the weekly, there's no, okay. Yeah, going back to daily, under the 200 MA. So that's concerning. So there's some. Let's bring back these guys here. So this is on a daily here. This last dip that we had underneath the monthly safety line. Let's go down to 1 hour. 1 hour. This is that 4-hour downtrend that we saw going down. Then we got a steeper downtrend for these lower highs, and then we got some lower highs for a new downtrend. Lower highs riding down. So this part is where key for a possible bull market ending here. So that could be something of a signal. 15 minutes. Under the 200 MA, just rolling under it. Price action just rolling under it. Underneath action line, underneath the 200. All of this going under. So we have to see what to do about that. If we switch over to liquidation levels, we can purge down here. It's very low liquidity. More liquidity above at the 102 level. Okay. And then we have last day for news. Something that may happen at 9 o'clock. It's a medium driver, nothing substantial.